Sir Bong, kamusta po kayo today?
Ako, masaya because in a sense na okay mo siya ngayon. Yung, a little bit more, nag-conversation. Okay. So, marami kaming na-touch, but mostly family. So, hindi ko na i-detalya yan kung ano. But overall, it's okay. Wala mong... And he also knows about the prosecutor who was disqualified. Pero nagsabi lang ko sa kanya na I cannot discuss that further kasi baka bawal.
Sir Bong, what's your personal reaction when you learned about the decision of the appeals chamber disqualifying the chief prosecutor?
For me?
Yes.
Being, you know, the things I heard about him and all that, I have only 2 words for the guy. Good riddance.
Sir, what are we expecting po in the next couple of days?
Ano yun?
What are we expecting? What are the Filipino people expecting in the couple of days? Kasi the interim release of President Duterte has been denied, and also following the controversy of the ICC chief prosecutor, which today has been officially being sanctioned by the ICC that he's no longer part of the Duterte case.
Well, as far as PRRD is concerned, he already knows also that his interim release was denied. So he is prepared for that. Now, as to, you know, how it's going to be, PRRD is prepared for anything. For any, you know, if they're gonna talk, he's prepared for it.
This is my personal question po. Is the family Duterte satisfied with the performance of Attorney Kaufman, given that all the things that he's done is not giving the things that we are expecting?
Well, Attorney Kaufman, you know, I cannot talk much about that because, you know, it depends on the strategy of the defense lawyer. So, if you say, do the family trust Kaufman? Of course. You know, he's still there, or he's still handling the case. So let's just hope for the better, because, you know, in any lawsuit or whatever, you know, there's always that, you know, pros and cons. So, as far as Attorney Kaufman is concerned, I think he's still doing his job well.
Any message po for the Filipino people that are very hungry for information?
For that, I would just wait for the official statement of the official family, especially from Big Sara. Other than that, I cannot disclose anything to you because, you know, I'm just a brother. So if there are concerns about the more of PRRD and everything, and whatever you hear na magiging fake news na naman, so, just wait for the official statement.
Sir, last comment. What is your comment on the uprising dissatisfaction of the Filipino people in the Philippines to Bongbong Marcos?
You know, the Filipino people should. We are already there, so continue. The one the placard you're holding now, Marcos resigned. Because, you know, your incompetence his BBM's incompetence is questionable. I mean, you know, are you sure you can still run the country well?
Yes.
Sir Bong, if I was him, I would really weigh on it and then probably make a graceful exit.
Sir Bong, maiba nga ako, Sir Bong. Does the former president know about the massive earthquakes in the Philippines?
Oh, yeah. Yan ang una kong debrief. Ang reports about Davao.
What is his reaction po?
His reaction?
Yes.
Well,
it's really sad, no?
It's God's stuff. Wala tayong magawa dyan. But, you know, nagtatanong siya kung is the Davaoenos or, you know, about his mayor was taken care of, you know everything is in order, and assistance is always there.
Thank you, Sir Bong. Mabuhay po kayo.
Okay.
Salamat po.